Hello, my friends, and welcome back to the 12 days of Brittmas. And now you guys have been asking about this and you wanted this. And I'm telling you, it is so simple. It's all about the decorating and the creativity that is put forth into it. So open up those minds and get those crafty, creative mojo going, because that's really all it is. So this is the stacked boxes, and we are going to go over how to quickly put the boxes together, and then I have a sped up portion of me decorating it, so you can just kind of see how my thought process kind of went. And I did cut it down pretty short because otherwise this video would have been forever. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned for the rest. So we're going to start with our largest box, which is the 5x5, and the boxes are only just 1 inch in difference, and they're 1.5 inches in height. And so for this one, we're going to need 2 pieces. So the first piece, you're going to remove the corners, squares completely off from it, and then the other piece you're just going to cut up to the score line. And then with your adhesive, go ahead and add that tab to the rest of the box. Now, I've mentioned this before in a different video. I strongly suggest doing your tabs on the outside, so then that way when you have your drawer, it will not get stuck on the little tabs on the inside of the cover, or however you want to put it, the matchbox or whatever. So I strongly suggest putting your tabs on the outside so you don't have to worry about the discrepancy of that. And then once you get that on, go ahead and add your top layer to it, and so you create your cover piece. So then next, you're going to grab your next piece, which is going to be your drawer, and you're just going to set this up just like you would any other box. This one, you don't have to worry about putting the tabs on the outside. That is your own discretion, but just make sure your covers for the match boxes or drawers or whatever you want to call it again, make sure that those are on the outside. Just saying, you know. So now that I have it all matted, I'm going to take my circle punch and create a thumb notch. And now we're going to move on to the next box, which is a 4x4. And luckily we can do the cover in just one sheet. So after you do your score lines, you're just going to cut up on the score lines of the center with the square to create your tabs. Once you're all done with that, you're going to go ahead and adhere the tabs in the box together. Again, with this one, with the tabs on the outside. Then of course, once that is completed, we're going to work on the drawer, and you are going to set this up just like you did with the previous box. Last but not least, we are going to work on our 3x3 box, and this one's going to be a flip top box, so it's all in one. There's no separate pieces, and we're going to fold on all the score lines. And then for the little square pieces on both ends, you're just going to cut up to the score line, creating tabs. Figure out which portion you want to be the bottom of your box, and take your adhesive and apply it to your tabs and put it together. Now the middle tabs are going to be what is going to attach to the base of your box. So your top flip open part will only have the 2 tabs going in to it, but then your bottom part, as you see in the video, will go towards the bottom. And then you can add the tabs on the outside of this one if you want to. Doesn't really matter. I kind of got used to it, so I started doing it that way. But you don't have to. It all depends if you're going to mat and everything. And so I'm just going to take my circle punch and again create a thumb notch. And so now I'll have all 3 boxes done. So you can stack this however you want. If you have them completely even, you can have them staggered, whatever tickles your fancy. But now it's all about how you are going to decorate it. So like I said, I have this on hyper speed, so otherwise this video would be like forever long. I am using foam balls as feet for each layer of the box. You don't have to do this, or you can always use some jemmies or whatever you have in your stash. Please do not go out and buy anything, but go ahead, have fun with it, use your imagination, play with it, and I hope you guys do enjoy this. Make sure you are giving this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one, okay guys? Bye!